In the area of economic empowerment, women are at the center of wealth creation. Through NRM programs such as Emyoga, the Parish Development Model, and various agricultural transformation initiatives, millions of women have accessed finance, markets, and skills development. As a result, women's status in the home and in society has changed. I therefore appeal to you, women of Uganda, to aim higher, consolidate these gains, and start a women's bank to promote your financial interests.
Mama tukubira omulanga ng'abakyala okuluubirira okwongera okukola ennyo twongere okunyweza ebyo ebituukiddwako mu byenfuna ate sinakindi tutandikewo ne bbanka ey'abakyala gye tusobola okukozesanga.
I believe even our God can't wait to see that breakthrough.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.